Tehillim 95. O come, let's sing to Yahuwah. Let's shout aloud to the rock of our Yeshua. Let's come before his presence with thanksgiving. Let's extol him with songs. For Yahuwah is a great Elohim, a great king above all Elohim. In his hand are the deep places of the earth. The heights of the mountains are also his. The sea is his, and he made it. His hands formed the dry land. O come, let's worship and bow down. Let's kneel before Yahuwah our Maker. For he is our Elohim. We are the people of his pasture, and the sheep in his care. Today, oh, that you would hear his voice. Don't harden your heart, as at Meribah, as in the day of Massah in the wilderness, when your fathers tempted me, tested me, and saw my work. 40 long years I was grieved with that generation, and said, It is a people that errs in their heart. They have not known my ways. Therefore I swore in my wrath, they won't enter into my rest.